Hey again, welcome or welcome back, guys. I'm about done with this. It took me a while, but I didn't get on it until extremely late because of all the other um, projects. My DIY assembly of my Sarasota Breeze 29-foot fire pit. I've got it assembled. I did it. Okay, the only thing I have to do is put the handle on the cover and bolt it on, and it's done. Hallelujah! I did it. Finally, opened it yesterday. Started opening the box yesterday. I received this from some friends as one of three wedding gifts they gave me. So it's pretty cool. Look at that. Put the little grill thing on there. Uh, Set the bow on the legs. I got the legs all done. Maybe I should put a little light, yeah. Got the legs assembled on both the rings, the big bottom ring and the this middle ring. The big, it was a bottom ring because I had to assemble it upside down. But the big ring is the one the bow actually sits on, and then the little ring is connecting the legs, double connecting the legs. So they're connected on the big ring, and then they have the middle ring, smaller ring. And you just sit the bow on there, bam, and put the grill thing on there, bam. And now I'm going to put the handle on there. Let's see if I have enough data. Maybe I can sit. Okay, let me see if I turn it. Since I didn't bring, I always forget to bring a tripod. I'm just busy doing my best to kind of like video document, which I guess is what vlogs really are, right? So let's see if I can put my big, there we go, my step stool. I don't need this flash on now, do I? I don't think I do. Oops, turn it off again. Okay, flip this back to kind of like selfie mode, and maybe I can sit it against a pillow. Let's see. Since I didn't bring a tripod out here. Put the handle. Kind of put the bolt. Get it started. But why does it say use the wrench to the wrench is not even the right size for the bolt, right? Well, I guess so. Okay. No, it's too big. What the heck? Oh, here we go, smaller size. Okay. Yeah, it fits. I can tighten it up really good with the wrench. Tighten up the bolt on the little handle. Tighten it up real good. There we go. All right. Nicely tight now and secure. Right? Yes. I don't think it can get any tighter without me stripping it. Right? All right. How about that? Should I tighten it one more? No, that's tight enough. There you go. All right. So, Nana B, that's me. Thank you for watching. I had to kind of, um, record this in parts, pieces, flip it around again. I'm gonna put the top on it. Bam. It's done. All right. All right. So I don't feel like putting it out in the cold tonight. Let's see. Okie dokie. Nice. Nana B did it again. DIY or die. That's me, Nana B. At almost 70 years old, having fun when I can. Busy, busy, busy. And put my gift together. Thank you, ladies. My BSF, BFF, best female friends, spiritual sisters. Okay, I brought one of my little heaters out here because it's gotten cold. Baby she laying over here on one of the, there you go. How about that? It's cold out here now, baby. Okay, so little by little, we're getting her done. So I'm thinking now, am I going to be able to use that big box to send the, it's so big, man. It's really so big. But maybe, because maybe I could put that stuff in there that I want to send to Chicago. We'll see. I'll have to send it like with extra, extra. Should I use this to burn? This is some of the packing. This light done went out already? Really? Oh man, that motion light is out. So, do I want to leave this up here so that tomorrow morning it gets all wet? I think I want to, I think I probably want to take it down. I don't know if I'm going to take it to the back area. Nah, I don't want to go take it through the house. No, I don't want to do that. I'm going back there for sure. But I think I'll go ahead and put it. So this is one of my gifts right here that I have not yet opened. I'll open that. Something nice to look forward to. So, okay. I'm not going to record myself taking this down. I'm going to put tools. I'm going to put paper in the fire pit, though, that I will be burning when I know the burn ban's off. Okay, so thank you all for watching. It's me, Nana B, Great Granny, and in my new place, working like a Egyptian slave and having fun working when I'm able to squeeze the fun part in. Like this was a fun project that I finally got to do. There were so many other things taking precedence today. This was one of those days where I didn't go on and had no appointments to go on. Tomorrow is likewise Saturday. I don't have to do really any appointments going into town because we live out of town, like out in the country kind of stuff. But we're still in Kirk County, still in the same county, but we're not in the city. Well, I guess we're outside the city limits. So thank y'all for watching. Stay warm. It's getting cold now, and stay safe. Oh, excuse me. I love all y'all. I love YouTubers, all YouTubers, especially small YouTubers like myself. And y'all stay blessed, blessings, and hope to see you next time I'm able to post. And over and out for now. I'll be back, God willing.